In the first part of this series, we created a free blog and did some customization to it. In this part, we will be taking a look at how we can write articles and then some more stuff. Let's start with writing our first post. To do that, click the menu that says, Posts. Then click here where it says, New Post. It'll load up a screen like this. Let's start by giving the title to our post. Now we'll give a heading. Then a dummy paragraph. Let's insert an image while we're at it. To adjust the size of the inserted image, select the image and then click this gear icon. Here you can change the size of the image and give an alt text. You don't have to worry about alt texts just yet. Leave it empty if you want. The best size, though, is the original size. Before we get ahead ourselves and click publish, let's first give some labels to the post. You can give one or more labels to a single post. It's like tags. I'm just gonna, and then make the permalink custom and add the keywords from the title of our post. It helps with the SEO, which you needn't worry about yet either. And now let's publish it. Now I'll do the hard work and write 3 more posts. Identical to this one. Initializing fast forward. Now let's preview the thing. Oh look! Ain't that something, everybody? Wow! But these elements are unable to fetch our post's labels. Well, that's what we are here for. And as you can see, our main menu links are redirecting to 404 page. We're gonna take care of that as well. Let's go, boys. Open the layout section in the new tab. And head to this gadget that says, well, gadgets. Rename it with your desired keyword. And here you'll put that label you gave when writing the post. Remember those guys? Let's check if they appeared yet or not. Well, SHH. Let's see. Alright. I gave the wrong label. Messed up the spells. See? This is how vital it is that you write the true letters when playing around with these. Arthur's hot. Now I'll change the others as well. See you in a bit. Nice. Time to do the same for the links in the main menu. Click the corresponding label and copy the link to it like this. Then go to the main menu gadget in the layout and update the URL with that link that you just copied. Hit save. Now repeat for the others. Don't worry about finding the link to the label if it's not making sense to you yet. It's coming up. Now time to do the same for the links in the footer. It goes just the same. Just copy the links to the labels and paste them in the URL section. Now if we click any of the links in the menu, we'll be redirected to the filtered page where we only see the posts with the label. And if you open one of the posts, you can see that the labels that we gave it are right here at the end of the post. You can right-click and then click Copy Link. And that is how you can find and copy the link to any label. As advertised. Time to configure these widgets in the sidebar. It depends on you. You can keep the ones you want and remove the ones you don't want. Now we'll see how we can create pages. Oh look! We got the trending posts here now as well. Anyway, head to the Pages section to create a page. Then click New Page. It goes the same as we did with creating the posts. It's safe to say that I'll give you another fast forward here. Nah, just kidding. Let's just skip to the part we just copy the link this page from this button, right-clicking and then clicking the button that says Copy Link. Then go to Layout and paste that link in here. Let's preview. Wow! Now to create a contact form, we can use Google Forms. Go to drive.google.com. Click New. Then go to Google Forms and click Blank Form. Here you can name your form and then add sections. You can add your own sections with the headings that suit your contact info better. You can also mark the section Required, in case you want your customer to fill in that field for sure. The form won't be submitted without filling in those fields. Then click Send. Shorten the link and click Copy. Now paste this link in the URL section of Contact Us in the main menu and the footer both. Now if we refresh our blog and then click the Contact Us button, we'll be taken to that Google form where we can fill in and submit. And that is it. We just created our blog. Created some dummy posts and then created a dummy About Us page and a fully working Contact Us page. We will see how to set up our blog SEO-wise in the future parts. Make sure that you leave a like on this video and subscribe to QuickS. And if you haven't seen the first part of this tutorial, you can find the link to it in the description. Thanks for watching. Internet.